Hey there everyone, welcome to the Lensbook channel. My name's Ovidiu, and I am absolutely thrilled to have you here with me on this incredible journey. These are the essentials that make my journeys possible and give me the freedom to explore wherever I want, whenever I want. I've put together a setup that perfectly fits my needs, so let's jump into it. First up, we have my ride, the brand new Dacia Logan. This is the latest model, and let me tell you, it has been an absolute game changer for my travels. Not only is the fuel consumption impressively low, but it also has the range I need to really explore without constantly worrying about finding a gas station. Next in my kit is something a little different, my Joyor Super Venom electric scooter. Imagine those vibrant city centers, narrow alleyways, and pedestrian areas filled with charm and character. The scooter allows me to cover a lot of ground while staying nimble and efficient. I love how it makes it possible to explore those smaller hidden parts of a city that cars simply can't access. This Joyor has become my go-to for urban exploration, and it's a blast to ride. Now, for the final, and possibly my favorite piece of the kit, my DJI Mini 4 Pro. This little drone has become my most trusted companion for capturing all those breathtaking views from a whole new perspective. You can see some of those amazing shots right here. I've taken this little powerhouse with me to some incredible places already, and I can't wait to take it to even more. And that's the core of my travel kit for now. If you're managing a luxury retreat, a boutique hotel, or an exclusive destination that you think deserves a place in the Lensbook, let's get in touch. I'm always on the lookout for those next hidden gems to share, and I'd love to make something amazing together. Until next time, thank you for joining me. I salute you. I'm out.